Bringing together our most advanced safety technologies, the EX60 is Volvo's most forward-thinking car to date.
If a potential collision is detected, the EX60 will in real time decide the safest way to navigate through that situation. So let's say a pedestrian steps into the road unexpectedly. Automatic emergency steering will guide the car smoothly around the hazard. In other scenarios, the safest option might be to brake.
But sometimes, crashes are unavoidable. That's why we study how accidents happen.
Based on everything we learn from real-world accidents, we create our own crash tests to replicate the complex real-world scenarios, and that goes way above and beyond any standardized testing. This test recreates what happens if a car leaves the road and strikes a narrow, solid object like a tree.
Upon impact, the car body of the EX60 is designed to absorb crash energy, keep the safety cage as intact as possible, and help protect the occupant. In the run-off road phase, the movements of the car will reposition the occupant, and in those cases, the occupant will be restrained in a good way, thanks to the safety belt. And now, with this car, we are introducing multi-adaptive safety belt. The multi-adaptive safety belt builds a real-time understanding of the occupant, such as the position, size, and shape, as well as the type of impact, to help provide the best protection for the situation.
The EX60 marks a shift in how we develop safety, allowing us to marry decades of knowledge with the very latest technology. It is the purest expression of the Volvo car's safety standard yet.